guys, it's Scott with Never Hedge back for another Tggi update. So some crazy stuff happened today. They dropped some filings, and that resulted in a 0.0074 cent price jumped up 78% in the last couple of minutes of trading. The filings were dropped right at like 2:40 p.m. and then once people started reading it, all the way up to 1.77 pennies, and then we closed the day at 1.68 cents. So huge day for Tggi, back to almost 52-week highs. We still got a little bit of room to run here if we want to see 52-week highs again. The high in the last 52 weeks is 2.67 cents. Well on our way back there. I think this thing is absolutely going to fucking rip. If we can see here, 101 million right at the closing bell, and then 54 right before that, and then looks like another 30 million right before that. So most of the volume coming in the last 45 minutes of the day. Now let's get into the filings here because they've dropped a bunch of documents. All right, so it looks like they dropped the bylaws, certificate of incorporation, and the registration of certain class of securities. So the class of securities is very important because that shows us the ownership of the float and the individual investors here. Chen Ren is the CEO, owns 29.9% of the company. Jiachang Tang, 5.9 billion, 28.7% of the company. And then this is the float shares here. And this little number right over here is very important because that shows us that 83.2% of the float is already owned. And this little guy right here, CD and Company, is also super significant because if we go over to the old Wikipedia page here, what do we find? CD and Company is a specialist United States financial institution that processes transfers of stock certificates on behalf of the Depository Trust Company, the Central Securities Depository used by the United States National Market System, which includes, drumroll please, the New York Stock Exchange and motherfucking Nasdaq. So basically, this confirms the Nasdaq rumors. If CD and Company owns 68% of the float, this thing might actually go to dollars, guys. I am, oh boy, freaking out a little bit. This is going to get pretty wild in the next couple of days. I think we smash through those 52-week highs and see 5 cents by the end of the month, and then maybe even more. We could get $1 billion in trading volume tomorrow on this news that CD and Company owns 68.7% of the float, or the shares outstanding. So if you are not in this already, try not to FOMO your entire portfolio into this. I would go conservative, but try and get it as early as you can tomorrow, because this thing is going to be shooting up there. That is just about going to do it for this one. Just wanted to do a quick update on Tggi and the filings. As always, guys, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more updates on Tggi as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.